Let's begin. So first of all, you change this ng when you open a PayPal account. For example, you type in paypal.com. Okay, this is what it will bring to you. This is what it will bring. So you can change this ng to any country you want. So if you put in AE, which stands for Emirates, Arab Emirates, it will give you Arab Emirates PayPal. You can see this one is different from the Nigerian PayPal. This one you can send and at the same time you can get paid, which means you can receive payments. You see, so if you if you don't want to do it this way, you can just scroll down here and you'll see here, see all the countries available. You can see these are the countries available that you can that PayPal is actually supported on. Okay, so for the sake of this video, we are using the Arab Emirates, which you see here. So let me take you through this step. Click on the sign up button, and when you come here, click on the business account and continue. Fill in your details. So I'll fill in my details right now. Right, these are my details. So click on continue. Okay, okay, this is my code. It said activate your account to start using PayPal. Guide it. You just need basic and okay. So once you're here, click on let's go. This is individual. Select business type. You can select individual or sole proprietorship. For now, I'll just select individual and click on next. Alright. Put in your date of birth. Alright. So when you see this nationality here, this nationality, change it to Nigeria. Change it to Nigeria. Then phone number, you can also change this to Nigeria. For the NG. Okay, this is Nigeria. So you put your Nigerian phone number here. So okay. And for address, you can just put your Nigeria address. Select anyone here. This just select anyone, city, Lagos, anything. Just do it like that and click on continue. Okay, this is tell us about your business organization. Alright, just use your legal phone name. Good. So business registration number. Alright, all this one you can leave it. You can leave this one too. What do you sell or service you provide? Okay, yeah, you can just select anything you are into, any business you're into. But if you are not into any business, maybe you do all this online affiliate stuff, you can just find something that is close to what you are doing or what you need the paper for. You understand? So in my own case, I will select computer network and information service. Okay, do you have a business now? Okay, this can be a PO box. You can just use your residential address. Good. Now click on continue. Alright, congrats, you're all set. Okay, our paper is now set to use. Good. Now, the next thing you have to do is you have to follow this step actually. Okay. Confirm your email address. Okay. Confirm your email address. Now click on. Okay. Your email has been verified. Good. Okay. Click on continue. Okay. Now when it comes to link a bank account, you can link a card. The card I recommend is. Alright, this is what the prepaid card looks like. You can see at this top here where it's written prepaid back. It has its own account number. This number you see here is 0013. It's its own account number. Okay. So when you acquire this card from the UBA, you can link it to your PayPal account. And I'll show you how you can link this card. You can link this card to your UBA bank account. You can link it to the mobile banking app, the UBA mobile banking app, so that you can access your money there. If you want to send it out, there you can send it out. To withdraw from the card, walk into any UBA bank branch close to you and tell them that you want to withdraw from your prepaid card. That's all. Thanks for watching.